대령 숙수가 역당들에게 납치를 당해 부디 무사해야 한다. 내 오늘 모든 것을 바로 잡겠다.
정말 막을 수 없는 건가요?
Let's study the script for next week's Bon Appetit, Your Majesty together and find out how things will unfold.
부디 무사해야 한다.
Please be safe.
부디 무사해야 한다.
Budi is an adverb used when you earnestly or desperately hope for something, similar to saying please or I beg you. Musahaya means to be safe, to be well, or to be okay. Handa is a grammatical ending that usually expresses a strong obligation, like must or have to. However, in this context, it emphasizes an intense wish or plea. When the female lead in a K-drama says, budi musahaya habnida, to the male lead, leaving on a dangerous mission, it's more than just a simple, be safe. She's saying, I desperately need you to come back safe and sound. It's a powerful and heartfelt expression of love and worry.
부디 무사해야 한다.
부디 무사해야 한다.
부디 무사해야 한다.
대령 숙수가 역당들에게 납치를 당해
The chef was kidnapped by rebels.
대령 숙수가 역당들에게 납치를 당해.
대령 숙수가 역당들에게 납치를 당해.
내 오늘 모든 것을 바로 잡겠다.
I will set everything right here today.
내 오늘 모두 이곳을 바로 잡겠다.
This sentence contains three key parts, each with a strong meaning. 내 오늘. This is a shortened, more assertive way of saying 내가 오늘, which means I today. It emphasizes that I will personally take care of this starting right now. It establishes the speaker's strong will to take charge. 모두 이곳을, 이곳 means this place, but in this context, it refers to all the problems and people in this situation. The word modu, meaning all, reinforces the speaker's determination to fix every single issue without leaving anything behind. baro japgetda means to set something right or to fix what is wrong. The ending, gesda, adds a powerful sense of determination, similar to saying, I will definitely, or I am determined to. So, when you hear this entire phrase, it's a declaration that translates to, today, I will take responsibility for this entire situation and fix everything perfectly. It's a confident and powerful statement often used by a hero who is about to reform a corrupt organization or put a chaotic situation back in order.
내 오늘 모든 것을 바로 잡겠다.
내 오늘 모두 이곳을 바로 잡겠다.
내 오늘 모두 이곳을 바로 잡겠다.
정말 막을 수 없는 건가요?
Is it truly unstoppable?
정말 막을 수 없는 건가요?
jeongmal. This means really or truly. It's used to add sincerity and desperation to the question. It shows the speaker is truly begging for the answer.
정말 막을 수 없는 건가요?
정말 막을 수 없는 건가요?
Here's what we learned from the drama preview script. When the chef gets kidnapped by rebels, the king flies into a rage. The chef desperately wanted to stop him from becoming a tyrant of the Joseon era. But now she faces a situation where the king turns into a tyrant because of her. This week's episode will show the king's descent into tyranny and the chef's perilous situation. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.